Hare Krishna. Namaste. We are continuing the marriage ceremony of Chabon Rishi and Sukarna. We have seen the Emperor Sarjati has given his daughter Sukarna to Chabon Rishi. We already known about the Chabon Rishi. He is the son of very famous Rishi Bhrigu. There is very few person who don't know about the name of Bhrigu. And Sarjati, his status is also very much profile status, high profile status. He is the son of Manu. Actually, from Manu, the race of mankind is coming down. What happened then? We have been puzzled about this marriage ceremony. How it might happen? A teenager girl, how she agreed to marry Chabon, and how the responsible father like Sarjati offered her beloved daughter to Chabon. It is a psychological problem, but the families like King Sarjati and Chabon in those days, especially in Vedic age, it used to happen, and it would happen due to their mystic yoga power. And the other portion of this chapter is more potential. There we get the marriage ceremony between Lord Balaram and Revati. Lord Balaram had two major wives. One is Revati and one is Baruni. That is another story. And more wives he had, they were the major wives. How that marriage ceremony happened, it is also a very charming fact. Whatever it be, up to this portion, what we get? After a week, King Sarjati concluded, I need to perform some yoga, some sacrifice. Where? At the site of Chabon Rishi. As he given his daughter to Chabon Rishi. To make the situation is very much substantial, he decided to perform a Vedic sacrifice by name Soma, which is called Soma Yoga, at the area of Chabon Rishi. And considering it, he proceeded towards the resident of Chabon Rishi. And while he reached that place, he became puzzled. He saw her sweet girl is sitting with a very nice young boy. Maybe young boy, of course, he is from the street side, local neighborhood. He had no sound identity. That's why Father Sarjati rebuked his daughter. How degraded daughter you are. You have tarnished the glories of two families. One is of your husband family and another is of mine. You have no conscience what to do. You are performing paramount love due to your physical urge. You have chosen a street boy and making romance by sitting in this place. I have been puzzled very much what to do, what to see. But real fact was another. His daughter Sukarna then narrated what actually happened. The actual matter is this. After that, by the mystic power of Chabon Rishi, he invited Ashwini Kumaras. The boys Ashwini Kumar are meant for to medical treatment universe wide, and Ashwini Kumaras came, took him, reached to a pond and took bath over there, and automatically the age-old Chabon Rishi became a young boy. That's why the king Sarjati committed fault, and then he embraced with affection his daughter and become very much emotional. Up to this, the marriage ceremony happened. The next portion of this chapter is about the three sons of Monu. I hope to narrate that portion later. Hare Krishna.